Looking for the best Androids of 2025? You're in the right place, whether you're after top-tier performance, amazing cameras, or unbeatable value. This list covers the latest and greatest phones you can buy this year. From flagships to budget-friendly picks, we've got something for everyone. All the links to the phones mentioned are in the description below, so let's dive in. At number 6, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fe. It stands out as the best budget phone of 2025. Samsung's Fan Edition series has always been about bringing premium experiences to a wider audience, and this year's model continues that tradition. One of the biggest strengths of the S24 is its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and excellent visibility in different lighting conditions. The 120Hz support is perfect for gaming enthusiasts. The phone also comes with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and an IP68 rating, making it both durable and resistant to dust and water. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 2400E processor, which delivers strong performance for everyday tasks. The triple camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This setup offers good versatility for different photography scenarios, from wide landscapes to zoomed-in shots. Battery life is also a plus, with a 4,700 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day. When it comes to smartphones that excel in battery performance, the Oneplus 13 stands out as the best battery option in 2025. This device is designed for users who demand long-lasting power without compromising on other flagship features. The Oneplus 13 is equipped with a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, utilizing advanced silicon carbon technology to offer a larger capacity without increasing the device's size or weight. This innovation ensures that users can enjoy extended usage times, making it ideal for heavy daily activities. In practical terms, the Oneplus 13 delivers impressive battery life, lasting up to 50 hours on a single charge, accommodating all tasks. Charging efficiency is another area where the Oneplus 13 excels. It supports 100-watt wired charging, capable of reaching a full charge in approximately 36 minutes. Beyond its battery prowess, the Oneplus 13 offers a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant and smooth visuals. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Additionally, the Oneplus 13 features a versatile triple camera system, including a 50MP main sensor, providing high-quality photography. However, the Oneplus 13 is not without its drawbacks. Despite the large battery capacity, some users have reported that the device's battery performance in benchmark tests indicates room for optimization. Additionally, while the camera system is robust, it may not outperform competitors in all scenarios, particularly in low-light conditions. When it comes to foldable smartphones, the Samsung Fold 6 stands out as the best foldable of 2025. This model builds on its predecessors with a lighter, thinner, and more durable design, making it the most polished foldable yet. The Z Fold 6 features a 6.3-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch main display, both using dynamic AMOLED 2X technology with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The screens are now brighter than ever, reaching a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, making them easier to use even in direct sunlight. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming. The IPX8 water resistance remains a standout feature, providing durability that many other foldables still lack. For gaming, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 combined with the large inner display provides a near-tablet gaming experience with high refresh rates and smooth performance. However, no device is perfect. The 4,400 mAh battery offers decent but not outstanding battery life, typically lasting around 10 to 11 hours with moderate use. Lastly, the premium price tag still makes it one of the most expensive smartphones on the market. When it comes to smartphone photography, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is the undisputed best camera phone of 2025. But the Pixel 9 Pro isn't just about the camera. It also brings a refined design, powerful AI features, and a smooth Android experience that makes it one of the best. Pixel 9 Pro features a triple camera setup, led by a 50MP main sensor with an f1.68 aperture, which allows for excellent light capture, resulting in sharp, vibrant images even in low-light conditions. Alongside it, there's a 48MP ultra-wide lens with macro focus, perfect for detailed close-ups. The 48MP periscope telephoto lens offers 5x optical zoom and super residential zoom up to 30x, allowing for incredible long-range shots. Beyond the camera, the Pixel 9 Pro packs Google's Tensor G4 chip, which delivers snappy performance and improved power efficiency. Google has also refined the AI-powered features, introducing Live Translate, AI-powered call screening, and Magic Editor, which takes photo editing to the next level by allowing users to effortlessly reposition objects and remove unwanted elements from images. On the downside, Google's post-processing can sometimes be too aggressive, making images look over-processed in certain scenarios. Video recording, while improved, still lacks 8K support, which some competitors offer. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown as the best overall smartphone of 2025, combining cutting-edge hardware, AI-powered software, and a refined design. Whether you're a power user, a photographer, or a mobile gamer, this phone has something to impress everyone. One of the biggest additions to the S25 Ultra is Galaxy AI, Samsung's first full-fledged AI-powered assistant. Features like Live Translate, which provides real-time translations during calls, and AI-powered text generation, which assists with emails and messages, make this phone smarter than ever. Samsung has also introduced Note Assist, which summarizes and organizes notes automatically, making it a game-changer for professionals and students. The display has also seen a significant leap. While still a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED panel, Samsung has increased the peak brightness to 2600 nits, making outdoor visibility even better. The new Gorilla Armor 2 ensures improved scratch and drop resistance, providing durability. In the camera department, Samsung has retained the 200MP primary sensor but has upgraded the telephoto lens, now featuring 5x and 10x periscope zoom with AI-powered image enhancement. Another standout feature is Audio Eraser, which uses AI to remove background noise from videos.
That wraps up our list of the best smartphones of 2025. Whether you're upgrading your current device or buying your first, there's never been a better time to find a phone that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.